one question that many people will ask, so how do I calculate 35.5 for chlorine? Now, today I'm going to show it to you. So, very simple, because chlorine exists in two isotopes. Basically, they have chlorine 35, which is 75% of it, and chlorine 37, which we have 25% of it. So you will say, then how do I get 35.5? Do not fret, okay? Let's do some simple calculation. So, because this is chlorine 35, have 75%, you will simply use 35 times 75 over 100 plus 37 times 25 over 100. Simple mathematics, punch in the numbers. Quickly, you will get 26.25 here plus 9.25. And if you sum them up, you can get a beautiful number of 35.5. Voila! This is how you get chlorine 35.5. Alright? So, why chlorine has 35.5? Very simple, because it exists as two isotopes. Now, another important question, after you know what is an isotope, sometimes many questions will be shown like this, in this format, okay? This is, of course, U stands for uranium, alright? Now, the top number represents your mass number, and the bottom number represents your, do you still remember? You are correct, it's your PEA, okay? Say with me again, PEA. So, that is your proton, electron, and atomic number. So, very quickly, if this is given, so how many protons are there over here? Protons, I will write here as 92. This is also 92 because the bottom number represents my proton number. Now, how many electrons are there? I'm sure everybody can get the answer very quickly, which is just 92, 92. Why again? Because when the atom is neutral, both the number of protons must be equal to the number of electrons. You are right. So, right now, how do you calculate the number of neutrons here? So, number of neutrons, think, I say before, mass number is equals to protons plus neutrons. You get it? So, in order to get number of neutrons here, I should use 235 minus away 92 here. Okay, let me clean this away so they can see it clearer. Alright, so that will give you 235 minus 92. I will have 143 here. And similarly for this part here, also 238 minus 92. And that will give me 146. So now, take a look at this table. Both of them are actually your isotope. They are a pair of isotope. They have the same what number? Protons number. And same what number? Electron number. But the only difference is which number? You are correct. It's the number of neutrons here. So, what exactly is the definition of isotope? Are you ready? The isotopes are atoms of the same element with the same number of protons but different number of neutrons here. Now, most elements have more than or at least a minimum of two isotopes. The isotopes of the same elements will have similar chemical behavior.